up? It's your boy Cuddy Mac. Freestyle Sunday, Chapter 4. We in it. Yeah. Okay. You're right. She's right. I gotta get my singing voice on key, but then I gots to be. You see, the game goes locksmith, but I'm a Mac nigga, so I break through it, break past, and I break fast, I break fist. Yeah, that's weed and cereal. Nah, weed and orange juice. Kush is my commitment to be dedicated and highly elevated and more anticipated. These niggas hella average. I told baby, you know, I be burning backwards in the backwoods with my nigga Matthew, Alvin, and Christopher, and probably Eli and Izzy. Yeah, and shout out my nigga White Mike, he trapping. In the cut, what's happening? Shorty wanna get it bad, was cracking. Told my nigga Angel Mac come back. Yeah, my nigga Milo come through, blow a loud pack, nigga, while we smoke with the crew. It's easy to be us if you don't see us. My nigga Gio roll up in the BMW. It's all true. And you ain't see me at the high school, cause I been thugging, homie with the trick. Hold me with the trick, now you can't hold me down, you bitch. I fly past the shit, I'm too fly, I'm not average. I'm below the surface. Nigga thought he was worth it, he was turfless. Could find the matter, degree, and the fact that he was spitting that whack shit. Certainly in the 3rd degree, I burn like fire. And in the 5th degree, I burn, call me Shire. The king of this shit, you can't master my plans. Come through like hot dawn, nigga, I need the plans and everything. To all the banks and the credit card statements. Nigga, this shit so basic, you can't complace my placement. And every time I run around, I'm with a bad bitch with me and she down to do anything that I want to do. Yeah, she down for the crew too. So call me when you wanna be down and show me who the fuck's around. I told the bitch, call me when you wanna be down and tell me who the fuck's around. You when it's not me. Cause I'm a player, so tell me when you around, not me. Who's around you? Who's around you? The hook was alright, you know what I'm saying? But, man, I'm just chilling, man. It's your boy Cuddy Mac. This beat right here, Talib. The Blast. You know what I'm saying? We ripping shit.